Hi, I'm Yoni from top10.com, and here we're going to try a snack subscription box, which is very exciting. This is the first time that I'm doing this, and for those of you that don't know, a snack subscription box is something you can order online, and it's a monthly service. That every time you order a snack box, you get to try snacks from all around the world, all different snacks, based on your preferences. And this specific one is one that I have called TokyoTreat, which has actually come all the way from Japan. So I'm very excited to try it and see what special treats are inside. So let's check it out. Like I said, this is my first time opening a box like this and I'm really excited. So let's get stuck in. Wow, that looks amazing. Look what we have here. We have Kitkats with sparkling wine and strawberry, which I'm really excited to try out. We have something here with green tea. Also, this is really intriguing me to try Japanese Pepsi to see if it tastes any different from regular Pepsi. We've also got some savoury things here. There's like some sort of cheese puffs or something, I don't even know. And this looks very Japanese. I like the look of that. There's loads of really cool things here. Stuff. Also Christmas themed stuff that we have. Yeah, very exciting. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of new snacks to try here. So I brought my friend Julia along.
Hi.
Julia works in our business development department, and she loves snack boxes and she loves Japan. So she's the perfect person to help me. So I'm looking forward to trying all these snacks with her. Julia, are you ready?
Yeah, let's dig in.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, so like with every snack box that you order, you get this really handy little pamphlet which tells you all the information about all the snacks which are inside the box. Julia, you want to explain what kind of box you have here?
Yeah, so we have a premium kind of box. In the premium kind of box you have special treats. Here we have the Kitkats, we have also a drink and other different kind of treats like the Matcha chocolate. In the classic version we have much smaller snacks, but we have a good variety. So our box is a premium box. So we have also the drink and the Kitkat and also the classic. So we are really excited to see how the premium tastes and how the classic, and tell you all about it.
I say let's try this one.
Let's try the matcha one, which looks exciting.
The melty kiss.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Okay.
You excited?
Yes, I love matcha.
So am I. Okay.
Okay.
Let's just rip it open, hey?
Yeah, you don't mind.
Yeah.
Okay, and how, oh my god, it's so small.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like this. Small bits. Let's try.
Okay, yeah, let's see what's inside.
Oh my god.
Let's see if it tastes like it looks on the packet.
Let's see the coating. This is like chocolate coating.
Oh yeah, it's chocolate. It's already melting on my hand.
Oh my god, okay. So beat it and see what's inside. Okay, it's green.
Wow. Wow, so good.
Really flavorful.
You can really taste the
it's like a real matcha.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's really good.
I want to eat the entire box.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's so good.
That was a great choice for the first one.
Yeah, this one looked the best to me.
So how can we rate it from 0 to 10? I think it's 10.
Yeah. I think it's 10? Wow, I would give it a 9. You know, I always like to...
No, because of the matcha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you know, you've been in Japan.
So it's called, it's from Meiji, and it's called Melty Kiss. It's actually melting. Okay, so let's move on.
Which one? What else we have in the premium section?
Yeah, so let's try the Kitkats.
Yeah, I really want to try this.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a really big packet of Kitkats, and as you can see, it's sparkling wine and strawberry. And Julia tells me that it has real alcohol.
A bit of alcoholic, yeah, beverage, yeah.
So, yeah, let's go crazy.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, it's also in separate packaging.
Yeah. A different color packaging.
Different
I think
images
it's
also.
the same.
No, here you have a boy, here you have a woman.
We have a cat here.
Yeah, it's very nice.
We have all different people, like someone playing tennis.
Yeah.
But I think they're all the same flavor. Yeah. Okay.
So let's try.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this one with the ape. Let's see what it looks like.
Okay. So it's white.
Yeah. It looks like a regular white Kit Kat.
Yeah.
Smells good. It smells like strawberry.
Strawberry.
Cheers.
So it's pink inside.
Yeah.
You can feel the alcohol.
Yeah, wow, it's strong. I wasn't expecting to be able to feel the alcohol.
But it's a nice one.
Yeah.
It's not that overpowering.
Yeah, it's good. It's sweet as well, which I like. Wow.
The second bite is even better when you try it.
Let's rate it, yeah.
Yeah, so how many?
I would say for me 7.5.
7? 8.
8. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now you choose.
Okay, I'm gonna choose. You know what? I kind of want to try the Pepsi. You ready?
The Pepsi, yeah, I'm ready. Okay, so I will grab a cup.
Okay, I'm gonna explain because you got the cup, and I'll explain that it's the Pepsi Caramel Punch, which sounds really interesting. I've never tried a Pepsi like that, so
yeah,
let's do it.
Smell it?
Yeah.
Hey, it like smells like Pepsi.
It does smell like Pepsi. I can't smell the caramel yet, but. It says here it has a rich and sweet caramel flavor with a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt.
For a refreshing winter soda experience. So
let's cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Let's see.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wow.
It tastes like, for me, it tastes like salted popcorn or like caramel popcorn.
Some kind of, something salty.
You can kind of smell the caramel.
Next in the premium, we have a Christmas Fugashi or Christmas Choco de Fuku. What did you get?
Is it that one?
Yeah, so it's the Fugashi one, and it says it's a Christmas treat that will melt in our mouths, and it's made from wheat and airy texture and sweet brown sugar. So it's mainly sugar, I guess.
Let's see, let's open it.
Okay. Wow, it looks like chocolate. Exactly.
It really looks like chocolate. I wasn't expecting it to look like that inside.
No.
Wait, should we break? You want to break in half?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's make a mess. Ooh.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay. So it looks like that inside.
Yeah.
Puffy.
It's really light and fluffy. It smells like brown sugar.
It's like soy. It has like.
Yeah. I see what you mean, like the outside. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Wow, that is
not expected.
It's good. I like it.
Wow.
It's so weird.
It's nice.
It's like cotton candy but harder.
Yeah. The last premium one is the one with the Santa Claus. It's the Christmas de Fuku Choco.
This one.
Ah, okay. Oh my god, it's so small. We couldn't find it. So what's that? It's a bite-sized marshmallow.
Okay.
It's a chocolate treat, so I guess maybe there's a chocolate inside?
Yeah, because for now it looks kind of white.
Oh my god, it was so hard to find.
Yeah, I was expecting it to look bigger.
It looks much bigger in the picture.
It's fun. It's fun to like figure out which snack's which. Ooh, this is weird.
So you...
Yeah, I'll try and see what I can do. I think it's got chocolate inside. I don't think I can.
Let's push.
Yeah.
And pull like you, Oh my god, there is chocolate inside!
Yay!
Wow!
Nice. Ooh.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Really chocolatey.
And marshmallow.
The marshmallow is not that like sweet. It's like mellow.
It's like Nutella in the middle. That's good.
The marshmallow is good.
Yeah. Oh, I like that one.
It's not really sugary.
And it's like a cool flavor that you have the marshmallow, and then inside you have the texture of the sweet chocolate.
Okay, so the classic we have is scone. We can try this one. Smell it. Wow, it smells like pizza.
Whoa, yeah, that's a strong flavor.
Looks.
I like the smell of that.
Okay. So it looks like this. It's like a Cheeto.
Yeah. It smells like basil.
It's really good.
Wow.
The best kind of Cheeto. Wow.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's really
like
good.
A pizza kind of Cheeto.
Yeah, I can smell the cheese and the...
Really nice.
Yeah. That's really good. Yeah.
We can try what you were excited about, the Tyrol Choco Winter Mochi.
Oh yeah.
So let's see if it's actually mochi inside. So that's how mochi looks like usually.
I've never had this before.
No? Never tried the mochi before?
No.
Yay! Okay, from the side, the best.
Ah, it's like a little wrap.
Wow! Okay, so you have small,
Very small, yeah.
small bites, square shape.
It's already melting.
Yeah. Sorry, I couldn't bite half through it.
Oh wow.
Wow! The inside has the mochi texture. It's kind of. It's like marshmallow kind of.
Yeah. That's very rich flavor, very chocolatey.
It's like gummy bear inside the chocolate. Okay.
Wow, I like that one. Let's use this one.
It's called Tonkatsu. It's the most famous one in Japan.
Ah, really?
Yeah. It's a crispy corn,
Okay.
spicy. So I guess it's like a spicy sauce.
Okay.
Flavor.
Are you ready for some spice?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's why it's like dark. Usually it's less dark. Okay, so I will like. Okay. You can just eat it. Wow. Okay. I can feel the sauce. It's nice.
It's nice. It's like, yeah.
It reminds me of some snack.
Yeah.
I'm
It
not
doesn't have that much flavor. But it's nice. It's
nice.
It's nice.
Yeah. Wow. It's like savory, like the chips.
Yeah.
Like the Cheetos. So it's a good choice.
Yeah, I like that.
Let's try the Marshmallow. It's fluffy like Christmas snow, Japanese marshmallow. Another marshmallow. So
Okay.
you can open it.
Let's do it.
So I guess this one is going to be much more sweet, like sweeter than the one before.
Yeah, it's bigger as well.
It's bigger. It looks fluffier.
Yeah. Want to taste some?
I will try. No.
Yeah, just a second. A little bit.
Okay, so there's nothing inside.
Okay.
Like regular marshmallow.
It's stretchy.
It's not that sweet. It's surprising. That's nice.
Yeah. Very chewy.
It's a good kind of marshmallow. We have premium Omaigo camembert cheese.
Wow. Ah, it looks like the same one. It's got the same kind of look as
Oh my god.
the other one we have.
Do you see something inside? No, okay.
No. Wow, it's got a strong
It's
smell.
the famous Omaigo camembert cheese. Wow,
Yeah.
it's a strong smell, okay.
Go on,
So
very
yeah,
small.
we will try to break it.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's hollow inside.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's do it.
Tastes better than the smell. Okay.
Yeah. Well, I want to try this one. The strawberry cream roll cake.
Okay, let's try it.
I'm from England and that's something we used to eat as kids. Something similar.
So it's like a small serving for one person.
Wow, it's really small.
Okay.
It's really small.
So the packaging is bigger than the snack. Okay.
Yeah.
But the smell, do you smell it?
Yeah, it really smells of strawberry.
I can feel it. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's split.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it smells good. I like that.
It's like a cloud. Wow.
It's very creamy. It's very buttercream.
Yeah, the cream is like cloud. Like you're like eating a cloud. If you want something sweet,
Yeah, it's
cloudy, that's the best kind of snack.
Now, let's try this one.
Yeah. It's another flavor. It seems like corn.
Yeah, lucky corn, salty flavor.
Okay.
Okay.
Fluffy. Doesn't it smell?
That's nice.
Mellow.
It's cute.
Mellow.
Not
smell.
such a strong flavor.
No.
Wow, that was so much fun. Julia and I have been looking forward to trying the snack subscription boxes for such a long time, and it was even better experience than we thought it would be. It was so cool to try all these new snacks all the way from Japan and to get to know what kind of snacks they eat there. And I can't wait to order my next snack subscription box and see what surprises await.